Hi everyone, I'm Tonghan. Welcome to Zatayami. Today on Zatayami, I'm gonna show you how to make my ultimate chocolate chip cookie. After making countless different kinds of chocolate chip cookies, I have devised my own chocolate chip cookies recipe that is thick and chewy. So to start off, here are the following ingredients that you will need. Whisk the flour, baking soda and salt together in the bowl. In another bowl, mix the melted butter and sugar together until smooth. Beat in the egg and egg yolk and vanilla extract until combined. Scrape down the bowl and bitter as needed. Add in your dry ingredients. Mix on low until combined. Mix in the chips until incorporated. Put it in the fridge to set for at least an hour. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees or 160 degree fan force. Using a 1/4 measuring cup or an ice cream scoop, scoop up 1/4 cup size of dough at a time. This is optional, but break the dough into two and stick them back together. This will give you a beautiful cookie. Lay them on a prepared baking sheets, spaced about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookie for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the cookie cool on the baking sheet for at least 10 minutes. Then serve warm or transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. In my opinion, you don't want your cookie to underbake or overbake. You want them to be nicely baked. You want a chewy cookie, not a doughy and soft squishy cookie. My cookie usually bake about 19 minutes. You also can freeze them individually, then wrap them in a Ziploc bag. But remember, you have to add a few more minutes to your baking time. Do subscribe, and if you guys like to know more about my upcoming recipes, do follow my Facebook page or follow me on my Instagram.